Hi everyone, this is Taha, and in this video I will show you how you can use sales CRM tracker I just made, which is also available on Notion Marketplace as well as Gumroad, so you can download it for free. But let me just give you a walk around on how you can use this template. So these are just links to a paid template which I will make a video about. But if you have a client and it's in the lead process, it's a lead, so you can add a new lead, for example Google, and add an estimated value of maybe $20,000. It's in lead, and add a priority which can be high, add a primary contact which can be for example Mark, add a proposal if you want to give a proposal, and for example this lead goes from lead status to discovery. This will be changed to discovery, and you can also update this page, any information, and it can also go to from discovery to negotiations. Then it will be project 1. So you will be able to manage your sales pipeline, and you can also add, maybe if it is in proposal stage, you can add a proposal here, for example Google Mark Q2 2025, and if you create this and it's in draft, you can send this proposal, and you can use the template and share this template with a client, and keep the duplicate template as off, and just share this link with a client as a proposal. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.